Hi guys, Alan Castorina, wealth creator, speaker and founder of Division Property Group. I just want to chat about one of our property strategies is renovations, and a lot of people ask, how much does it cost to do a renovation? And it depends on the size of the house and depends on what's wrong with it. But generally speaking, a low set 3-bed 1-bath costs us around the $80,000 to $100,000 mark to do a full gut and strip and do it properly. Then we go a 2-level house, depending if it's living downstairs or not. If it's not living downstairs, it could be between $120,000 to $150,000 to do up. And then if it's a double-story, full living both downstairs and upstairs, costs close to $200 and maybe more, up to $250. And I've got a big checklist. I've got from A to Z. And I can just look at something and I know how much something will cost me. And I can do that in 10-15 minutes and get to a figure. And then I know the sale price, what I think that house is going to sell, subtract the cost of the renovation, subtract the turnaround cost and the margin cost, how much we want to make out of the project, and then that's how much I want to pay for it after all that. Right, hope that helps. Talk to you soon. So I just want to talk to you about real estate agents, and there's people out there that hate them, right? So I'm in the belief of I'm not the smartest person in the team, and I like to import, outsource and import the knowledge, import the skills into our business. And I think real estate agents have got skills to sell. And if I've got to go out there and do that myself, I'm not going to be good at it for starters. I don't have all the buyer database, because the real estate agent's job is to connect sellers to buyers, and their job is to find the best price for your site. So I haven't got those skills. So I use them as partners. A lot of them got the area experts, so you got to pick the one that is really good in the area. And then the communication, you got to communicate with them what you want. And also my real estate agents, and I've got a lot of close friends, and they also help me find sites that need TLC, need some value add. So then we connect, and then we connect the two of us together, and we strike a deal that we're both happy with. So hope that helps. Talk to you soon.